If the old myth that men think about sex every 7 seconds is true, that would mean that our guys are thinking about sex approximately 8,000 times per day. Let's break that down a little further. This would put sex on the male brain more than 500 times per hour, 8.3 times per minute, if they ran on a 16-hour day. Not only is that seriously over the top, but they would be extremely unproductive. In a more realistic study of sexual thoughts, this was completed by the Ohio State University, it's estimated that men think about getting some between the sheets about 19 times per day. Now let's talk about women. When this 8,000 times per day myth was out there for all the world to believe about men, it was also believed that women didn't think about sex at all. Now, who's kidding who here? We are all sexual beings. We all have needs and wants and desires, and sex is a big part of that equation. Women are thinking about sex, and we are more open to discussing what we need and what we want in the bedroom a lot more than ever. Naturally, the more comfortable one is with their own sexuality, the more it comes to mind, for sure. And researchers have also stated that while males think about sex, like I said, 19 times on any given day, on average, women have it on their minds about 10 times per day, according to the same study. And that's taken from like Psychology Today. Everyone is different, and that's okay. So don't think your estimated number is anything but normal. There are so many variables to consider in a study such as this one. So many things can alter or even skew the results. Your age, your relationship status, your physical health, your mental health are just a few to consider. And there are a whole lot more. So a lot more studies could be completed and would be very interested. I'd be very interested to see the results. I think the future is could be pretty cool to look at this in this area. So this could be a great little conversation starter for you and your main squeeze. It might even get things going in a little steamy direction between the sheets as a result. Like, how many times do you think about knocking boots today?